everyone, welcome to SuperGrads CAT, and today we will be talking about the best MBA colleges in India without CAT. Now, there are a lot of students who do not prefer to write the CAT exam but do target other management entrance exams to target other colleges through those exams. So, today we will be talking about the colleges which जो कैट के अलावा भी बाकी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स का स्कोर एक्सेप्ट करते हैं और हम ऐसे कॉलेजेस की भी बात करेंगे जिनका अपना खुद का एंट्रेंस एग्जाम होता है और वो उसी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के बेसिस पे स्कोर एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So the very first college in the list that we have is ISB Hyderabad. Now why I've taken this particular college? Because IIM Ahmedabad के level का college है ISB Hyderabad. Now here if I talk about the fee structure, it's 42.13 lakhs, highest CTC 66 lakhs per annum, average CTC 34 LPA, median CTC is 32 LPA. और यहाँ पे जो स्कोर एक्सेप्ट होता है वो सिर्फ जीमैट और जीआरई के स्कोर के बेसिस पे यू गेट इनटू द कॉलेज. नाउ हियर दे हैव पीजीपी प्रोग्राम व्हिच इज ओनली ऑफ 11 months. नेक्स्ट इन द लिस्ट अनदर ग्रेट कॉलेज XLRI जमशेदपुर. जैसा कि मैंने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में भी बताया है, दिस इज एशिया मतलब इंडियाज टॉप कॉलेज फॉर HR. Now, if I talk about the level, तो of course IIM के level का college है again. HR में जिसको भी interest है, जो भी ऐसे aspirants हैं who want to pursue a career into HR in future, then this college is a sure target for them. Now here fee structure is 23.6 lakhs, highest CTC 78.2 LPA, this is domestic. Highest international CTC is 1.1 crore per annum. Average CTC is 32.70 LPA. The scores that the college accepts is ZAT. तो सिर्फ ZAT के स्कोर के बेसिस पे you can target XLRI Jamshedpur. Next in the list, another great college, SPJ Mumbai, SPJ College. Here, profile के basis, profile also plays a major role other than the entrance exam. तो profile के basis पे भी students को call आता है. Now here, if I talk about the fee structure, is 20.42 lakhs, highest CTC 67.50 LPA, average CTC is 33.02 LPA, highest international CTC is 77.88 LPA. Now SPJ CAT के अलावा GMAT का स्कोर भी एक्सेप्ट करता है. तो अगर जो भी ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो कैट के साथ साथ जीमैट का एग्जाम भी लिख रहे हैं, इफ कैट के थ्रू एसपीजे नहीं होता है, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली अप्लाई थ्रू जीमैट एज वेल. नेक्स्ट इन द लिस्ट अनदर ग्रेट कॉलेज in terms of ROI, I would highly speak of this college, that is JBIMS Mumbai. JBIMS में fee structure 6 lakhs, highest CTC 35.75 LPA, average is 28.02 LPA, median CTC is 27.6 LPA. कैट का स्कोर तो एक्सेप्ट करता ही है, बट कैट के अलावा आप यहाँ सीमैट और महाराष्ट्र सीईटी के बेसिस पे भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो. तो इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि कैट का एग्जाम ही लिखना है जेबीआईएमएस के लिए, आप सीमैट और सीईटी से भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो. Next in the list we have is Tata Institute of Social Sciences, that is Mumbai. Now here fee structure, again great college in terms of ROI और HR का प्रोग्राम यहाँ पे काफी prominent है. तो जो भी ऐसे students हैं who want to pursue career into HR, second best college in the list we have is Tata Institute of Social Sciences, जिसका fee structure 2.07 lakhs, highest CTC 49 LPA, average CTC is 27.22 LPA. Now it only accepts CUET PG scores. Initially टिस का अपना खुद का एग्जाम होता था टिसनेट, बट अब फ्रॉम दिस ईयर ऑनवर्ड्स CUET PG ही एक्सेप्ट होता है फॉर टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सोशल साइंसेस. Next in the list we have is SCHMRD Mumbai, that is SIDNM Mumbai. Now here fee structure, again a great college in terms of ROI. Fee structure 1.34 lakhs, highest CTC 23.50 LPA, average is 13.33 LPA. कैट के अलावा ये एग्जाम सीमैट और महाराष्ट्र सीटी के भी स्कोर्स एक्सेप्ट करता है. Next in the list we have is SIBM Pune, that is Symbiosis Pune. Here, fee structure, if I talk about 25.17 lakhs, recently SIBM Pune की placement report आई है. So this is the recent placement report of 2024. Highest CTC 49 LPA, average CTC 28.16 LPA, median CTC 25 LPA. Now here the score that they accept is SNAP. So SNAP दिसंबर में होता है, तो आप SNAP के थ्रू ही SIBM पुणे में एडमिशन ले सकते हो. Next in the list we have is NMIMS Mumbai. Now here the fee structure is 23.9 lakhs, highest CTC 57.78 LPA for domestic, average is 26.63 LPA, highest CTC for international it's 67.80 LPA. Now ये सिर्फ NMAT का स्कोर एक्सेप्ट करता है, तो NMAT का एग्जाम हमें टारगेट करना पड़ेगा if you wish to target this particular college. Next in the list we have is IMT Ghaziabad. I would say a great college in terms of marketing. अगर marketing में जिनको भी career pursue करना है, so they have a separate PGDM program for marketing over here. Fee structure जिसका 25.17 lakhs है. Highest domestic CTC 34 LPA, average CTC 17.35 LPA, median CTC is 16 LPA. They also have highest international CTC, which is 65.6 LPA. Now here the scores that you can give is CAT, ZAT and GMAT. तो CAT के अलावा IMT गाजियाबाद ZAT और GMAT का स्कोर भी एक्सेप्ट करता है. So you can surely target this particular college through ZAT and GMAT as well. Next in the list we have is GIM Goa, that is Goa Institute of Management. जिसका fee structure is 22.25 lakhs, highest CTC 55 LPA, average CTC 14.87 LPA और scores CAT के अलावा ZAT और GMAT का score accept करता है GIM. Next in the list we have MICA Ahmedabad, one of my favorite colleges, like personal favorite colleges. All those students who want to pursue a career into branding, advertising, market, public relation. So short target is this particular college. Phenomenal in all these areas. Now, if I talk about the fee structure, 21 lakhs, highest CTC 36 LPA, average CTC 20.09 LPA. CAT के अलावा it accepts ZAT and GMAT का score, plus you have to write their entrance exam as well, that is MyCAT. Next in the list we have is XIMB Bhubaneswar, a college which offers a lot of MBA programs, चाहे rural management हो, general MBA हो या MBA in marketing finance हो, so it has a wide options out there. Fee structure 21.5 lakhs, highest CTC 71.50 LPA, average 20.03 LPA. Now CAT के अलावा it accepts ZAT, NMAT, and they have their own exam as well, which is known as XGMT. तो आप वो भी लिख सकते हो, and GMAT. Next in the list we have is SCHMRD Pune, which is Symbiosis Institute for Human Resource Development, which is located in Pune. Now here again, this college is prominently known for its HR program. Fee structure 24.12 lakhs, highest CTC 35.02 LPA. This is for the domestic. Average CTC 23.71 LPA. Highest international CTC is 67.02 LPA, and it only accepts SNAP score. Next in the list we have is SIIB Pune, that is Symbiosis Institute for International Business. Now here, if I talk about the fee structure, 21.73 lakhs, highest CTC 39 LPA for domestic, average is 13.12 LPA, median CTC 14.30 LPA, highest international is 82 LPA, and it only accepts SNAP score. All those students who are interested to pursue a career into international business, And they also have an agri-business program as well. So they can surely target this particular college. Next in the list we have is Great Lakes Chennai. Great Lakes Chennai का fee structure 20.57 lakhs, highest CTC 46 LPA, average is 14.5 LPA. CAT के अलावा the college accepts ZAT and CMAT score as well, तो आप इनके scores के basis पे भी Great Lakes में apply कर सकते हो. Next in the list we have is IMI New Delhi. Fee structure 22.25 lakhs, highest CTC 50 LPA, average CTC is 17.01 LPA. It accepts CAT के अलावा it accepts ZAT, CMAT, MAT, ATMA and GMAT score as well. Next in the list we have is TAPM Manipal, जिसका fee structure is 19.45 lakhs, highest CTC 24.80 LPA, average is 14.60 LPA. CAT के अलावा आप ZAT, NMAT और GMAT के score के basis पे you can apply to this particular college. Next in the list we have is IFMR Chennai, a great college in terms of finance. So all those students who want to pursue a career into finance or want to do MBA into finance can target this particular college. Now here fee structure 14.56 lakhs, highest CTC 22.9 LPA, average is 13.5 LPA. CAT के अलावा the college accepts ZAT, NMAT, MAT and GMAT scores. Next in the list we have is NIMS Pune, जिसका fee structure is 13.7 lakhs, highest CTC 23.5 LPA, average is 15.5 LPA and it accepts CAT के अलावा ZAT, CMAT, GMAT or GRE scores. Now the college is known by RBI and another great college in terms of finance if I talk about. Last college in the list we have is Irma Anand, which is located in Gujarat. Now here the fee structure is 16.09 lakhs, highest CTC 26.50 LPA, average CTC is 15.50 LPA. CAT के अलावा the college accepts ZAT and CMAT scores. So great college in terms of rural management. So all the students who want to pursue a career into rural management can target Irma Anand. Okay students, so that was my list of top 20 colleges that you can target even without CAT scores, or even if you're not planning to write CAT, then you can still target these particular colleges on the basis of other entrance exam scores. And if you wish to know about more B schools, detailed video about particular B school, then do let me know in the comment section below and we'll get back to you soon. For more such updates, do not forget to subscribe to SuperGradsCAT.